Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We have been awaiting the sound system for the all-new KRX 1000. I'm going to do an unboxing video here and show you what comes in the box. I've not even opened one up yet. We're going to make this up along the way and we're going to have some fun doing it. So, the KRX sound system obviously is fully waterproof. It is built for the off-road. You do have your AM, FM built in as well as Bluetooth. It is a harnessed kit from my understanding, and I can see that right here off the get-go. All of the wiring it's saying is cut to length. Zip ties, you're probably going to need more than that. But it looks like we do have a nice full harness kit here. This system is going to come with the head unit, instructions telling you where to find the install, as well as the guide to learn how to run it. It's packaged very well. Alright, looks like we've got our head unit here. This does replace the entire center console section, so you're not going to have to cut this out or install it. Looks like we've got a bunch of additional switch plates here, which will be nice. You will reuse your cover. Looks like you've got a USB charger as well as 3.5mm jack for the install. Also on there, everything's really plug and play on this, as you can see. Love that. Let's see what else we got in here. Door speakers. Again, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. The only thing I probably wouldn't do is take a power washer direct to them. You can wash them off. Looks like good quality heavy magnet there, so we should get some good sound out of that baby. Two of those, of course. What I'm most excited about is the subwoofer. This is definitely good quality from Hyphonics. Sweet logo there, if you can check that out. Amp and all that is integrated, you guys. This is going to go into the bed. If you want to come up here a little bit closer, I'll show you the connectors on here. Again, it's looking like it's going to be pretty easy on the install. I'm not sure the install time yet, but all the connectors are going to be plug and play with your harness here. So it's going to be fairly self-explanatory, I guess, if you will. And I love that it's all wrapped up. It's going to be a nice, clean, custom look. What else we got in here? A couple screws. I'm guessing that's going to be for mounting the sub and the speakers and stuff. But that's what's in the box, you guys. A lot more information to come. We're going to get this baby installed. On this particular unit, we are not going to do the rear pods. Because we will be doing the 6-point harnesses and the harness bar. And if you guys are doing the 6-point harnesses and harness bar, you're not going to be able to use the stock pods that are going to fit back behind the driver and passenger's head. However, we are going to do another option that will be able to mount some different pods back there that will work for the harness bar. We'll have a lot more information to come. But we'll get this baby installed. We'll do another video talking about how long it actually takes. We're going to talk about the quality of the install, and of course we're going to listen to it. So a lot more information to come. We do have these in stock. I can ship one out to you today. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. And as always, check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. KRX is kicking butt, as you guys know. If you'd like to get one in your name, give us a call. My name's Jared. If you'd like to talk to me personally, call or text my cell phone. If you'd like to join our texting community, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody.